Hi, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com. Welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show, where today we're going to be making coconut yogurt. And this isn't necessarily very seasonal if you're living in the United States. It is winter there right now, but maybe you're like me and you live in Mexico, or you live in other areas of the world where you have access to coconuts. You'll need coconut meat, the meat of coconut. You can get these from fresh coconuts, or if you have access to a grocery store that happens to have coconut meat ready for you, that makes it that much easier.
I can feel right there, it's starting to hit the inner core. If I hit it just right, I think it'll crack it. Right there. There. Well, when you hear that, then you can split it open. You can see some of the coconut meat that broke off inside. Take that little bit of fiber off of it and just eat it straight up. It's really good. Just like that. Really tasty.
You want all of the coconut meat, and you will want to make sure to get any hard parts off. So you want it to be nice and white, and if there's any of the shell still on, then you can remove it. So I'm going to start with a half cup of coconut water, and then I'll add more as needed. And then I've got about 2.5 heaping cups of the coconut meat. Then you want 1, 2 squirts. And I added 2 more squirts of the syrup. Then a small pinch of salt. You can add any of your favorite probiotics if you have a probiotic that you're taking or you like. Now normally I would add a lemon or lime, but I didn't grab those today. I have this vinegar that's pomegranate vinegar, so I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of that. Some apple cider vinegar, about a tablespoon of that. Blend it until it's really nice and creamy. Pour it into your favorite container. From here, you can leave it in a warm area to ferment, or you can just pop it in your fridge overnight. And this will thicken up even more in the fridge because it's made of coconut.